Well, it actually looks cleaner in there than I thought it was going to. There's not but a couple hours on it, but you know, listening to a lot of people's horror stories on the YouTube, this really doesn't look all too terrible. I'm pretty happy with it, actually. I thought I was going to see a pile of chips in here or something. Not too bad. A little bit of sediment, but not, you know, nothing real bad. So I might wipe that out a little bit. Kind of wipe it down a little bit and give it an oil change. It really looks pretty good. I'm gonna put a magnet down here and see if I get anything, but it's really clean. Well, like usual, I fucked up again. Didn't have the video camera on. Anyhow, I was pumping it out with this little pump here. And pretty much got most of the oil out of this gearbox. Anyhow, but this worked pretty good. Let's see, I'm not sure. I think I got most of it out of there. Yes. Can't tell there. Look at it, son. Anyhow, it's supposed to be 4 quarts in there. Starting to lose light because after work everything gets freaking dark, and I got some lights gonna go up, but I just haven't got them up yet. Anyhow, how about this thing? And this thing isn't very bright either. Oh fuck. Yeah, looks like I got about 3 quarts out of it. Maybe not quite. So there's still a quart laying in there. It's probably gonna just stay. Anyhow, that's it. All right. So there's the oil we're dumping in. Molly D. ISO 32. So look what we got here. Some wet on here. Tape off or something. Of course, I'm glad they did put that on because ship this shit up. It starts leaking everywhere. Alright, so this is, I don't know, 4 quarts, but I'm gonna just look and see what the gauge looks like. There we go. So, what's left here. It doesn't show. Oh yeah, here. A little over a quart. So last time I filled it, it was similar. It was maybe. I'll go get the other bottle of the stuff and show you when I got the machine. There's the same stuff. ISO 32. This is what I put in it. I don't know if you can see it. Oops, no. There. That's what I put in it when it came from the factory. This is what I just put in here. Now, it's just a little difference. So I got most of it sucked out. It's probably how they do it too, just guessing. Because the plug doesn't look like it's ever been touched with a wrench. So they had to fire it up at the factory and run it for a little bit. And just to show you the gauge, it's almost full to the top. Probably just a little over full. That's all right. It'll be fine. Also, I'm not sure what's going on here. I assume that's just a breather vent, but that's kind of crappy. I mean, chips could blow off of here, or somebody could blow them in with an air compressor, or, you know, come on, like right out of there and blow around and right in there. So I gotta call, find out what the hell that is. If there's another spot to put a breather, I'd rather have it in a different spot. That's kind of shitty. So I just kind of, see, am I taping? Yeah, so I just kind of picked it up with this, made sure that I didn't rip the gasket, so I don't have to replace that. Put that on there like that. One good thing, all the screws are the same size, so don't have to worry about that. So 6 screws. I called the factory. They think that it might be spindle bearings maybe just set too tight. I might have to back off the nut a little bit. So we'll see if this thing has any weird slow down deals again. It was kind of weird. It was ripping at 2,000 RPMs, and all of a sudden, it sounded like she dropped about 200 RPM. I just shut it off quick. She stopped quick. She was kind of warm, not too hot. I could still touch the bearings and stuff. It's not like it turned to something red or nothing, but still concerning. Strip this cast iron, so you just gotta be snug. Beautiful. All right, gotta put that on the DRO. All right. Now let's plug it in and run it for a second. Move all the shit off of here. Get all the tools out. Make sure you didn't leave any in the gearbox. That would be bad. Plug it in. aren't sitting in the gears. Alright, well, let's just turn on. Smooth as a baby's butt. Alright. Cool. That's the oil change. Stay safe and have a good day.